Friends, before I'll talk to the opportunity for the cement sector in highway, I would like to just give you the brief what is happening in the Indian highway road sector. We are fortunate that we have the second largest road network in the world. Our total road network is 66 lakhs kilometer. And this network has been divided into a number of categories depending upon who is the custodian. When I'll say who is the custodian, it means whether the central government or the state government or the local government. And the topmost priority roads are the national highway, which is the responsibility of the central government. I'll talk to you about national highway, but I can tell you this reflects the whole the development in the all other categories road as well. So national highways are around 1.5 lakhs kilometer. If you see in terms of the magnitude, 66 lakh kilometer, it is roughly around 2% of the total road network. But really speaking, it carries the maximum more than 50% of the road traffic. So these are most important roads running across the country. For development of national highways, central government is responsible, and for its development, two important projects were launched. One was National Highway Development Project, which was, few first phases of which are popularly known as Golden Quadrilateral and North Southeast West Corridor. That project is over, and thereafter, the Government of India launched Bharatmala Pariyojana. There has been marked shift in the planning, number one, whereas in NHDP, the whole emphasis was on follow the existing alignment and remove the deficiency in the existing alignment. It means if I have connected two places and I'll see in terms of capacity, in terms of geometrics, in terms of, the structural strength, if there are deficiency, I'll follow the same route and upgrade it. The NHDP followed this principle. But when we launched Bharatmala, a lot of data was available with us. And the data included, the movement of traffic amongst the 600 districts of the country. So therein, we didn't follow the existing alignment. Rather, we have gone by the whole life cycle cost analysis. When I say whole life cycle cost analysis, it also includes vehicle operating cost. It means if two places are connected, say for example, Delhi and Mumbai are connected via Jaipur, taking little longer route, since I have data available with me that how much traffic directly goes from Delhi to Mumbai, and we realize that if I'll take a crow flight straight alignment, it will really lead to saving. And as a result, in Bharatmala, the most emphasis has been given on greenfield development. So this was the marked change. Coming to the achievement side of the road sector, I don't know how many of you know it. We have touched up to 37 kilometers a day. During last one decade, we have created number of world records, whether it is concrete road, whether it is bituminous road. We are doing it. So this is one sector which is doing very good, and the opportunities will continue because our program is in between. And I'm sure this time also, government is expected to construct more than 10,000 kilometers. So the space, whatever has been achieved, will continue for maybe another 5-6 years. That is for sure. Coming to the issues, the challenges which we are facing and which really affects our all choices. Number one, of course, whatever we'll say, we are a developing economy. And when I say developing economy, what is our objective? Our objective is to achieve whatever best we can achieve within the available resources. It means in layman terms, if I'll say, I would like to construct more and more length within the given funds. And towards this, we'll have to do cost optimization. How it is relevant to the cement industry? Say, for example, cement industry, they'll have a stiff competition as far as highway sector is concerned with the bituminous road. The cement roads, of course, capital intensive, little costlier in the initial phase, but are maintenance free. As a highway engineer, how we decide? We decide on the basis of the life cycle cost, which includes the capital cost plus the maintenance cost, and we do the life cycle cost analysis over a period of 30 years, which is the assumed life. And the option which is cheaper to us will adopt it. I can give you an example. In fact, I remember during 2014-15, cement manufacturer, they came, they had a long discussion. They have offered, subsidized kind of cement to ministry and for the national highway project. As a result, during that period, number of projects were taken with the concrete, payment. Number two issue which affect us is the pace of construction. Of course, there were days when we were constructing only 4-5 kilometers a day. Nobody questioned, but when as and when our pace increased, today we have 30 kilometers, 37 kilometers. Everybody asks, what more? It means what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something which I can do and implement very quickly. And here again, when it comes to the concrete roads, the curing time itself is an issue. Most important issue is when I talked about greenfield alignment. In the greenfield alignment, what had happened when I said we'll have to follow crow flight alignment. When we follow crow flight alignment, what happens if rivers or valleys coming in between? We'll have to construct a bridge. If hillock are coming on in between, we'll have to construct a tunnel. Not only this, from the road safety consideration also, it has been our objective that let us remove all the at-grade junction. And for removal of the at-grade junction, what I have no option but to provide underpasses or the overpasses. It means today my road construction has become more structure intensive. And when I say it's more structure intensive, it means, the cost of a structure are more as compared to the road portion. And when I say structure, it means nothing but the cement structure, because invariably, traditionally we are, and of course, when compared with the other material, particularly steel, it is cheaper option for us, and the lot of scope for cement. The other important aspect is the sustainability. Of course, today the effort has been to build something which can be built with the least material. And towards this, what we did is, in India, long span bridges were hardly heard of. We were going up to 30 meter or 40 meter span. But as on date, there are more than 100 bridges which are under construction, which are more than 200-meter individual span. Not only this, Professor Hegley was talking about high performance, ultra high performance concrete. Yes, gone are the days when we used to hear M30, M40 as a, something great concrete. In our national highway network, we are constructing more than 50 bridges which using ultra high performance concrete. The span of the bridge has increased from, which used to be 30 meter, now has gone up to 80 meter with the very reduced and sleek structure. It has led to, improve our sustainability, to talk about carbon credit and all those. Another important challenge which we are facing is about the durability. When I said we are constructing greenfield alignment, now it means I don't expect any kind of interruption. When we move from highway to expressway, our speeds have increased. We cannot expect the maintenance every now and then and closing the traffic or interrupting the traffic. So we are looking for something which can give me, much better life, much longer life, and which is maintenance free. This is what. Number two is this is the magnitude of the road work. Coming back to the geology of the country, geographical condition, everybody knows we'll have to work from Himalayan to deserts in Rajasthan. Same applies in terms of the rainfall. We'll have to work in Rajasthan till Cherrapunji. So every project, every site is unique in itself, having its own requirement, which presents a tremendous. Many a times I feel sky is the limit for the cement industry to come forward and offer us the solution based on our requirement.